To get started, make a new document with the size according to your need. Here I set the size 1920 by 1080 with 300 pixels per inch resolution and 8-bit RGB for the color mode. Then click Create. Make a new gradient layer. And select this basic black and white gradient preset. Change the first color stop to 1F2F98 and the second color stop to 1CA7EC and click OK. Now make another gradient layer with the same preset as the previous one. Change the first color stop to 787FF6 and the second color stop to 7BD5F5. Then click OK. Now make a new empty layer and place it between the two gradient layers and make the top gradient layer becomes a clipping mask for the empty layer. Then select the empty layer, activate the brush tool and toggle the brush settings panel. So if you are using Photoshop CC, you need to restore the legacy brushes by opening the brushes tab, then click this icon and select legacy brushes. Click OK and now the legacy brushes group has been added to the list. You might also want to activate the brush tip to see the brush swatch you are going to select. Because I'm going to make an abstract lines background, so I use the round point stiff brush. Then open the brush settings tab, set the brush size to 300 pixels, bristles 1%, length 400%, thickness 1%, stiffness 1%, and angle 0. Adjust the spacing to 3 or 4%. Then close the brush settings panel. And now is the time to harness your creativity in the brushing to get something you like. If you make any mistake in the brushing, you can always undo it by pressing Ctrl G and brush over and over again until you're happy with the result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button for more future uploads. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time.